I am Kavin from Karna Institute of Technology, QRK20CS307. In this video, we are going to see about the W-linked list. In this W-linked list, aim to create a W-linked list, implement the function to insert the data at the front, and insert data as inth node of the list, and delete last node and delete the given data from the list, and search the data and display the content of the list. In this data we will see in this algorithm. First we want to create a class node and to be insert data to the list of nodes, and the next and it will be get the data next to the node. The constructor has a default parameter. The construct default parameters as data and the next equal to the none, which will be used if no argument is passed. Uh, then initialize the variable data with the data by the given user, and initialize the variable with next with the next. Initialize the variable with the previous and is equal to previous, and create a class linked list. Initialize the variable head as none. Wait a minute. Uh, and insert at the beginning the data to be, if head is none, create an, if head is none, create a new object for the node class with data head and none as a value, then assign the node new object to head return. Else create a new node by the creating a new object of a node class with the data head and none, and then assign the node to head dot previous, and that will be assign that node to head. And then this function display, if head is none, then print list is empty, and return assign head to the monkey. Monkey equal to self dot head. While monkey is not none, print monkey dot data, and monkey dot next to monkey in all iterations. And we will go to the function get length, that initialize the count variable to 0, assign head to the monkey. While monkey is not none, increase count by 1, and assign monkey dot next monkey in all iteration, return to the count. And then function to the middle, uh, if the given index is less than 0 or it is greater than the total length of the list, raise an exception printing invalid index. If the index is equal to 0, call the insert at the beginning. Insert at the beginning. If the index equal to 0, then initialize the variable count variable to the 0, assign head as a monkey. Assign head as monkey. While monkey is next is not none, check if the count is equal to index minus 1. If true, create a new node. Create a new node, and next monkey, then assign to the node monkey dot next dot previous, and then assign that node is monkey dot next, and break the monkey dot next and break. Then after, if the statement increase count by 1, and assign monkey dot next to monkey in all iteration. And we come to delete function. If the head is none, then print list is empty. Return else if head is dot next is none, print head dot data and assign none to date head. Else assign head to monkey, and while monkey next is not none, assign monkey dot next to monkey is all iterations, and then monkey print monkey dot data and assign none dot previous not next is equal to none. The delete of the given data, if if head is none, the print list is empty and return. Else if head dot data is equal to, else if head dot data is equal to x, then print head dot data, and then on the next node assigns Assign none to head return else assign head dot next to head and assign none of the head and head dot previous return. Uh, Assign head to the monkey. Assign head to the monkey while monkey if monkey is not none. Check if the monkey data equal to x and the monkey dot next is none, and if true then call the delete at the end function. Then after is the statement assign monkey dot next to monkey in uh, all iteration, else assign the head to the monkey, and while the monkey is next is not none, check check if the monkey data equal to x. If true, print monkey dot data and assign the monkey dot next to monkey dot previous dot next, and assign monkey dot previous to monkey dot next previous. Then next after if the statement assigned to the monkey dot next and the monkey will be all iteration. Monkey will be jump to the next data to next data. For the search item, if the head is none, then print the list is empty. Else initialize the variable to 0 and assign head to the monkey while monkey is not none. Check if the monkey dot data is equal to x. If true, then print the data with the index number and break after the if statement assign monkey next to monkey and increase the count by 1 in all iterations. Else print is value is not found. Uh, and then we create an object that a linked list. We want to give a menu driven program for this. First we want to add the data to front and add the data required position and delete last node and delete the data, delete the given data and search option and display option and exit. These are the functions for the menu driven program. If the default program will be else print invalid input. Let's run the program and see. First I give 1 to enter the data. Again I give enter the data. Again I give enter the data. I inserting the data at the front of the node, and I want to add at the required position. For this I give 25 at, oh sorry, invalid input because it will not any. So if I give the choice and I index where the data to be added, I will give that before 3 and what value will be needed. I want give 25. Sorry, it's becoming an error. Run once again. First we want to enter the data 10. After that I enter the data. And again I inserting the data. After that I add the data at the required position where we want to insert that. Into what the you want to 20. Insert the data is 25 and I want to delete the last node. I give 3 choice. Delete data is 10. After that I delete the data given data. For that I give 4 and what data to be deleted. I want to delete 20 and then I want to search. I give 5 and search 25. Data 25 in the position of index is 1. and after that I will display that it gives first 30 and then 25 because I deleted that 20 in the given data, and the 20 and the 10 will be deleted when they delete the last node, and again after that I will give an exit. The program output is verified successfully uh, for all the operations. Okay, thank you.